Hey guys, Tomo here at Tomo's Tune-Ups. So as you can see, I'm still in my work uniform. I've just finished handing back the car to the customer, and that's why there's nothing in my shed at the moment. Essentially, the customer and I went back and forth with the broken crankshaft and discussed the many different options there was moving forward with his car. He decided that it didn't suit his budget, so what he was going to do is take the vehicle back, outsource another engine, either get it rebuilt or refurbished one, and then either give it back to me to reinstall, or he was going to install it himself. So it was completely his decision, and that's fine. So moving forward, we have nothing in the shed at the moment. I am going to be hopefully pulling the engine out of my car soon, but coming up, we should have, fingers crossed, a 5 SFE Celica engine to build, which will be really cool to do. So we should be able to start that soon, but hope you guys are doing well. Just thought I'd give you a quick update on the 1275. Other than that, we got not a lot going on. We still have the engine here for the other one. We are still waiting on some extra parts for it, as well as a rear subframe. So anyone out there who has a rear classic mini subframe that'll suit a 92 Rover, let me know in the comment section below, or hit me up, DM on Instagram. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week, and we'll see you soon right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.